Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite skincare routine. This is called green tea mask matcha. This is like this. This has little spoon. You just hold like this and put on your under eye. However you need to put, wherever you need to put it, you just put it like this. This is really helpful to remove fine line, puffiness, and dark circles. These are made with vitamin E, collagen, and green tea extract. This leave on eye mask for 10 to 15 minutes on the face, under the eye, wherever you think is dark circles there, you can put that for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, I'm gonna put on my under eyes. I can use this, take like this and put under my eyes. This also reduce fine line and puffiness, and it helps to remove dark circles. Just hold like this and put the patches under eyes. This I also put on my cheeks. I also put here because I have some dark circles here. So this really helpful for also dark circles. Younger. It make your skin smoother and younger looking skin. It gives you, this is a beautiful treatment for under eyes or on the face for dark circles. This make skin repair and refurnished.